You can upload multiple file formats under a single title to support users across multiple platforms and on mobile devices. These files will share common metadata and appear together in search results. Additional formats are supported for video, interactive whiteboard, document, and ebook files. To associate an additional file format, click Edit on your item's title page and select Formats. You'll see all existing file formats for that title listed at the bottom of the page. Click Upload. Drag and drop an additional file format to the drop zone. After a successful upload, navigate to the title page to review your associated media file formats. You'll see that you can choose which format to open for the title. In addition to the various file formats you can add, note that your uploaded video files may be automatically converted to multiple bit rates for various playback scenarios. Your system administrator will control this setting.